Hello students, now let us know about Arduino setup and loop functions. So students, when you start your Arduino IDE, you will directly get a new empty program, as you can see here. So in fact, the program is not really empty. It already contains, yes, two functions. What are they? Yes, void setup and void loop. So if you don't know what functions are, don't worry. I'm going to cover that a little bit later in the course. Okay? So for any Arduino program, you create this. This is the minimum code you should have. So if one of those functions is missing, you won't be able to compile and upload the code to the Arduino board. And when creating your own program, you will write some code inside each of those functions. So this code will be then executed on the Arduino board. So the first thing you can see is that the functions are empty. Okay? So when you run the program, what will happen? So first of all, if you put any instruction here, at the beginning of your program, this will be executed. And then the void setup function will be executed first. So whatever the code you put between those two curly brackets here will be executed first. After, it is executed once and only once. First, the code in the void setup is executed once and then the code in the void loop is executed. An infinite number of times until you simply restart the program or you shut down your Arduino. And inside the functions, so inside void setup for code. So the instructions will be executed line by line. So first line 5 and then line 6, etc. So this is very useful for you to improve readability of your program. Okay? So you can put some command to give some indication of what's happening in your code. Okay? In the same folder, void loop function, all the lines will be executed one by one. And this is also a command line. Okay? So we are going to come back to those functions quite a few times in this course. But basically, what you would write inside the void setup function is the code to initialize your program. For example, to initialize variable to set up a sensor or to set up a communication. So everything that you need to set up at the beginning of your program and that you basically need to set up once. And then in the loop function, you rewrite your application code. So that would be the code that we learn all over again until the admin board is powered off or restarted. Okay, clear?